Good morning, students. Hi, I'm Payal Parekh and back. And in Payal's Easy Commerce, we are starting today another topic known as promotion of women entrepreneurs. So let's get started. Now, what do you mean by promotion of women entrepreneurs? To make sure that the women entrepreneurs are also at par with their male counterparts, the government of India has come up with a lot of facilities to ease out the work of women entrepreneurs. So let's understand what are they. The first one that we have is entrepreneurship development programs. When I'm talking about this, as we had done in last class, the entrepreneurship development programs are like the training centers, and they are NICEBERT, EDII, SIDO, SIDO, NISIET. So these programs really train the women entrepreneurs. They make them overcome the challenges that they are facing. The next point I have is special awards. Now, uh, we have is a number of NGOs who give special awards to the women. Okay, even SIDO does that, and they are in the category of outstanding woman entrepreneur of the year. Outstanding woman entrepreneur of the year, to recognize the contribution of women entrepreneurs in the various fields. So that is known as the special awards. Then I have is the women's cell. Okay. So the office of the development commissioner, the office of the development commissioner, DC, okay, has small scale industries set up a women's cell. Now, what does this cell do? So this cell provides assistance to the women entrepreneurs facing specific problems. कि क्या हुआ, कहाँ पे अटका है काम, or how can they help, or how can they overcome the situation. So all of that comes under the women cell. The next point I have is schemes by SIDBI. Now, the Small Industrial Development Bank of India has introduced two special schemes for women entrepreneurs. Now, what are these schemes? First and foremost is Mahila Udyog Nidhi. Okay. So, यहाँ पे under the schemes, they give sewing machines and this thing. They do a lot of stuff so that the women can start something on their own in villages and earn some basic, basic livelihood. Then I have is Mahila Vikas Nidhi. Okay, this is another scheme which is started, and this is what I'm doing, schemes by SIDBI. First one is Mahila Udyam Nidhi, and the second one is Mahila Vikas Nidhi. Vikas means progress. So what happens in this, in the Vikas Nidhi? It provides women with development assistance such as training and extension of services for pursuit of income generating activities. For pursuit of income generating activities. उसके बाद next thing I have is income generating schemes. Now what do I mean by income generating scheme? It is training come income generating activities for needy women to make them economically independent. So all these comes under income generating schemes. See, they want that all the women in the poor, in the rural areas, who are not earning a single penny and they're finding it difficult to run a house. Small machines, sewing clothes, making candles, making small things, making some handicrafts. All this is going to help them achieve some livelihood. Then I have is the sixth one, and that is Scheme Bank of India. When I'm talking about Scheme Bank of India, the Bank of India operates Priyadarshan Yojana. Abhi, what is this? It provides assistance for setting up training come income generating activities for needy women. They help the bank to start up something. They help the woman, whoever is approaching them, and this way it is known as the Scheme Bank of India. Then I have a scheme of State Bank of India. So loans are given to 25,000 to women entrepreneurs to set up business units, and and वहाँ पे the 51% stake is with the woman, and the balance is with that bank or with the other people, whoever are the stakeholders, and they also help the woman to set it up. See, that everybody has that fear, the initial thing to set it up. how it is going to be, whether it's going to be worth it or not. So all of that comes under the schemes of State Bank of India. The eighth one I have is district industrial centers. Now DICs, now what happens is this DICs are helping the women entrepreneurs in training, research, marketing assistant so that their work is getting easy. And nowadays, like everybody has now come to Instagram, to Facebook, so wherein there are so many activities that can be shared. The ninth one I have is schemes of SFCs and SIDCs. So what is there in the schemes? So यहाँ पे the state financial corporations and state industrial development corporations provide schemes. Now, what schemes are they going to do? What are they having? So they are having, for example, enterprises. They can do is refinance for SIDBs and all of this. So they are the schemes related to the finance that is going to help the woman entrepreneurs set up their venture. उसके बाद the 10th one I have is production grant. When I'm talking about production grant, what comes under this? So there is a central social welfare board also who provides training and extension services to women entrepreneurs. Then I have is schemes of KVIC. So यहाँ पे क्या होता है KVIC में that under this thing, woman gets 15% of the seed capital and total cost of the project. Are you understanding? So if I'm saying the total cost is 1 lakh, initially to start, I'm getting that 15,000 and then dire, suppose if the project is worth 10 lakhs, then I will get 1 lakh. So this is going to be the first step to give you encouragement, that is known as the scheme, that is one of the schemes of women industries fund schemes. Thank you students for listening. The source for the same has been taken by me from Manan Prakashan to make things easy and the examples of my own. So I hope this particular topic about promotion of women entrepreneur has now been very easy. Thank you students once again.